The real reason why I became a tax resolution specialist. For those who don't know me, I'm a former IRS auditor with over 24 years tax and financial experience. I am Marlo Davis, the wealth creator. Let me just share with you, I would get invited on the radio, especially before tax season. I would do like a circuit, different radio stations, and I would come on and talk about the tax advantages of being a business owner, how to be audit proof, what prompts an audit, documentation equals representation, making sure people have their records together, things of that nature. And then I would take Q&A. And one person called in the radio station and they talked about how they was afraid to open the green and white letters, that they had been getting letters from the IRS, and they knew at that time they had owed over $50,000. Well, when I got on the phone with the IRS, they actually owed over $70,000 with penalties, interest, and that current year that had been filed. And so they was very, very afraid of the Internal Revenue Service. And me being a former IRS auditor, I understand that, listen, it's about communication. It's about letting the IRS know what's going on and getting a financial on you to see what you can and cannot do, 433F, to see what you can and cannot do. That's another story. But anyway, the guy had a question. He called in. He had a question. He was very scared, very nervous. I scheduled a consult with him. And when I got on the phone, went through the consultation, told him what we'll be able to do, and started his case. Guys, I would say after about roughly around about 9 months, his offer was accepted. And I saw a grown man cry. That's reason number one, not for a grown man to cry, but to see a grown man have relief and peace of mind. The next time, guys, a recent testimony I had, a doctor who travels and made a significant amount of money, and the next year he wasn't traveling and he owed the IRS 6 figures, and basically got on with him, did a consultation. And I love this because the first time we submitted the offer, it was rejected. It was rejected. Not to go into all his business, but I knew why it rejected. And I told him, we're going to wait. Let's get everything together. Let's wait 30 days and let's redo the process. We did a process within 30 to 60 days. And guys, his offer was accepted. And to see that man at peace, that's the reason why I got involved. That's the reason why I became a tax resolution specialist, to give people peace so they can sleep better at night. There's people out here today that I heard that are teaching these classes but not giving support. I'm so very happy that we're able to teach it from 24 years of experience, me being a former IRS auditor. But not only that, we're able to give you support. And that's why this Saturday, I'm going to be hosting a webinar, the top 10 reasons why you should become a tax resolution specialist. Whether you're a tax preparer or not, whether you're a business owner or not, but the industry, let me tell you, I think it was the IRS collected $3.4 or $4 billion last year from tax debt. People are out here afraid, guys, afraid of the Internal Revenue Service, afraid to open letters. I know, because they come to me with stacks of letters because they're afraid to open it. And when we open it and we look and we smile, they say, is it really bad? I say, listen, there's not a problem we can't fix when you put Marlo Davis in the mix, okay? So the reason why I got involved is because I love helping people. I love giving people peace. I love that people are able to sleep better at night. I love to educate. So once we get your taxes in order, we settle the tax debt, we make sure going forward, you don't end in that problem again, that you follow the rules and regulations of what the IRS said so you don't have to worry about it ever again, and to make sure that we give our clients support, get them training, get them education, and give them the peace of mind that they're looking for. So if you're looking and you want to get into this, you heard about it, maybe you attended a class and wasn't satisfied with it, we're going to be doing a webinar on the top 10 reasons why you should become a tax resolution specialist. Either look above or look down below in the description. Click on the link, get registered. Spots are going like popcorn. It's going. But if you're looking to get involved in a career that's fulfilling, a career that's very lucrative, and a career that's going to create a win for your client and a win for you, jump off this video right now, click on off of it, and go on down there to the description or above and get registered for the tax resolution webinar that's happening this Saturday at noon. I'll see you in just a little bit. Remember, my name is Marlo Davis. I'm a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too, and you can have me do anything. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and get registered for the webinar. God bless.